Thank you for having me over, right? As you know, Richfield is the pioneer of trichology in India, the science of hair and scalp in health and disease. And Dr. Sonal, my wife, and myself have been associated with the Femina Miss India from 2001. And it's a great pleasure to look after the hair of all these contestants because ultimately hair and skin are the two most visible parts of a human anatomy and go a long way in developing a person's self-image, prestige and confidence. And finally, the crown is always kept at the crowning glory. So both Richfield and Dr. Sonal and myself take great pleasure in ensuring that the crown always befits the crowning glory. Yeah, when we get to meet these contestants from all over India, right? The first thing and the crucial part of any trichology help is that we take the hair for analysis because the hair tells the complete story of a human being. So the analysis of the hair is done, and once the analysis reports are ready with the case history, then we come and do the scalp analysis on a big screen, and the hair and the scalp analysis is done and explained to each and every contestant, so that the contestant then knows, right, that what is the state of one's own hair and scalp, and then accordingly care is taken. As I said, just like you do bodybuilding, we need to do hair building so that they can get the hair of their dreams.
First impressions about the girls that you just saw, because they're the top 20 girls. So if you just comment on overall, not
Right, right.
specifically here or something like that.
Right. Over the years, as I said, it's been a great, great privilege to see the 20 or 25 or 26 of the top girls all over India. In a population of 900 million people, we, zero down on 20 or 25 of the top girls. It's a great education process for us also because, they are so much full of enthusiasm with the brains, the beauty combination, which is a heady combination, and also so much so eager to learn and grasp and absorb things. Hopefully, they keep it the same as years go by and keep, as I said, being sensible and sensitive, and the world will be at their feet.
Okay. Any specific interesting anecdote about previous years' pageants? Somebody who had a problem and came to Richfield and
The very first year was a big challenge because we had Selena down the line, Selena Jetli, and she had a really a tough time with her hair because she had done some chemical treatments in Calcutta, and she was really in a bad shape as far as the hair was concerned. We had a fortnight to get her back on track, but ultimately everything turned out so well. The treatment worked. She was very, very diligent. She was very, very cooperative. I remember at the end of the day, the party was at the Taj Lands End, and she was crowned as the winner. And at the party post the event, we were sitting. My wife and myself, Sonal and myself, were at one end of the magnificent hall, and she walked down along with her father across the room, and she introduced her father to us and told her father that this crown is there because of Dr. Shah. Otherwise, there would be no crowning glory and there would be no crown. I think it was a very touching moment and very kind of her to say this. But I think that represented the biggest challenge in a fortnight to get her back on track.
now these are two common questions that we are asking all the guests and the trainers over here. What, according to you, is the woman of substance?
All right.
You can take your time.
Yeah. Give me a minute. According to me, right, a woman of substance is a woman who matches the qualities of each of our mothers. Because we look onto our mothers and every quality which we admire in our mother, the selflessness, the giving nature, right, expecting nothing back in return, her beauty, her loving hands, the way she cooks. I think a woman of substance, everybody in this world looks up to a woman of substance, specifically having the qualities and the properties which you would normally have or which you associate with in your mother.
And the other common question is, what is that Indian thing that you would want to see in Miss India? See, all very beautiful and stuff like that. What's the Indian
Fine,
thing?
fine. Over the years, you see, where I've been now into practice for the last 25 years, and Sonal and myself have traveled extensively all over the world, taking care of hair and scalp of people across the globe. And one thing which strikes me always, whenever I go in the world, and whenever I say I'm from India, the opposite person always comments, "Oh, you're coming from India, those lovely ladies with lovely long hair." So I would definitely, and it will sound like a cliche because I'm in the hair and scalp industry. But believe me, if there's something Indian which I would like to look in any woman, right, it would be a hair, right? Because hair tells the complete Indianness about a woman.